3 must-have wholesaling tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe. These are the best tools you need in your business. Number 1, call tools. If you are going to run a business and you're going to be cold calling or whatever else, you need call tools to wholesale houses just so you can contact as many people as possible. Number 2, Propstream. Propstream is the best all-in-one solution that you could possibly think about that is going to solve the majority of your problems. We can pull lists, comp properties, unless you're in a non-disclosure state, then use batch leads or Propelio. Number 3, this thing right here, your cell phone. This bad boy. You need those 3 things, that's all. You have Propstream, you have call tools, you have your cell phone. Get after it. You got it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.